Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're at Marshall's. We're going to be looking at how we can store our items and store them decoratively. That way we will have the mind to go back to them. If you're anything like me, when you pack stuff away, you do not go back to them. And I'm trying to get out of that. So I want you guys to come with me. All right. So we're going to look and how we can store our stuff decoratively and basically make those areas attractive in storing our stuff. So we're going to look at a few stuff here and you can tell me what you think as you go along. Do not forget, go to Leave It to Lizzie and subscribe. Mwah. So here we go. So I was looking at this basket earlier and I do not know about you, but I like it. What do I like about it? It is see-through. So whatever you put in it, you can see it from any angle. Okay, so that's one of the things that we're going to look into where storing our stuff is concerned. And ideas that came to mind with this is that you can use it in your kitchen area. You can use it to store your fruits in it, snacks for the kids, and also you can even put it in the living area on a shelf where you can probably even put magazines in it and stuff like that. Because if you're anything like me, you like reading your magazines, okay? One last thing, guys. The price is really good. It's only $12.99, and there are endless things that you can do with it. Okay, a lot more stuff here. I'm gonna go through a few of them with you, and you can tell me what you think as we go along. All right. So this here, I don't know about you, but I love me a little bling, and it's on wheels, which it's perfect. And of course, if you want it, depending on the designs and the color inside your space, you know, gold goes with a lot of stuff. And what I like about it is that you can slide it in any little small space that you have. With this, you can use it as a towel rack if you choose to. You can put it in your kitchen as well. Store the different stuff on it. You can have fruits and vegetables on here, canned stuff, you name it. Whatever it is that you have excess of and limited space, here you go. This can take care of that for you. And of course, the price is really good for what you're getting. The price is only $49. You see, so at the end of the day, we're talking about something that can do so much for you and basically improve your space for only $49. Oh, guys, before I even go further, I was looking at this earlier on and the color combination is just amazing. I love it. I love it. And in 2024, a lot of the designs now, they're more leaning to the gray and the black and, you know, so this might blend in really, really nice depending on your decor, your color scheme. And of course, the price on this, $49. And what I like about this is that this can go in any space that you want it to. You understand me? It is not limited to any space. It's not. It's that good. It is really, really that good. For me, I'd probably put it somewhere in the bedroom with some of them perfume bottles and cologne bottles. If you're anything like me that love fragrance, I have tons of those. So guys, next we have this. This is a organizer, basically for your bathroom. All right, a lot of persons, in the bathroom space, it's not a lot. There's not a lot of space in the bathroom. This is small, where it can fit on the countertop beside your face basin, or even close to your shower. You know, where you can stock all your personal items on there and create some organization inside your bathroom while also doing it in style. All right, and for this is only $19. So again, the prices are really, really good, and I don't see how you I don't see how you cannot love this. I just see, really, really nice. I'm here. I want to show you something. Oh my God. Guys, this is nice. This is nice. This has a marble finish. This is what it looks like. Look at this. This is amazing. This is good for your kitchen. This is good for your bathroom. Based on the finish, you can even put this inside of your living space. You have so much things you can do with it. It's not funny. It's real. I love me this. I love this. I think I need to get me one. All right, so let us see the price on this beauty. And the price on this beauty is only $29. So for what you're getting, I love it. Look here. You can get me one. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. So next for you guys, we have this. Guys, this is an octagon shelf. Just imagine 25-inch, of course. This is ideal for your living room wall. You know, a lot of times when we're fixing up the living room and we want to put some beautiful picture frame here, a nice little plant on here. Look at this. You put the shelf on the wall and trust me, this can do wonders for your living space. Just imagine. You put that there, you have the family photos, and of course, if you're an animal lover, you have Bruno on the shelf. I'm just saying, there's so much you can find in here, you know? Come and check Marshalls out, you really need to. So guys, let's take a look at the price. So the price is only $24. Now you tell me you can't beat that. This is just amazing. And again, if you really want a beautiful living room space where you can use up some of that wall space, this is ideal for you guys. Ideal. Love it. Guys, ladies, don't forget, we need to organize our makeup. We need to organize our jewelry, or better yet, our perfume. So this is ideal for us ladies who want to get up in the morning, do a quick fix with our makeup, or want to grab our necklace or a chain, anything. This is ideal for it. This is ideal to put your makeup on. Really, really beautiful. And of course, you will see when it's dirty. Not to worry. It will speak for itself. It's glass. All right? So you don't need to worry about it. It will tell you that, okay, please to clean me. And of course, guys, the price on this is, I'm not seeing a price. Oh my. Oh my. Guys, this is a steal. This is only $12. $12. I was expecting it to be a little more for what it is. I love it. I really, really love it. So yes, guys, we're going to end it here. And again, storage don't have to be ugly and hideous. You can actually beautify your storage space and not spend much at the same time. You just have to go around and see the different stuff, okay? Again, beautiful items here at Marshalls that you can use to decorate your storage space. Again, I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.